Again, watch Apple. Yeah, bro, a lot of my options are breaking right now. So a lot of my option spreads are just showing wild ass prices. Surprisingly, my TLTs, those are pretty pinned. Market's down. This is just there wasn't any bad news over the weekend, but it was the same unwind of the carry trade in Japan. So this started literally. I was at the beach with my mom when this happened. Literally, and then Lending Tips text me, and he's like, "Bro, the market." And then right when the futures opened, it was just because of Japan. Japan had its biggest sell-off in history. So the last 2 days in Japan has never sold off this much. And then it just one thing led to the next, and then people thought by Europe Open it would chill out, and then Europe Open, and then it sold off again, and then that's it. By the time even we woke up, or even for like U.S. futures opening, we were down by like 6.5%, almost about to hit a circuit breaker. So this is just all the stuff from last week, but a mix of growth deteriorating, Fed falling behind, and now Japan carry trade literally unwinding. Your butterflies are broken. It's because the spreads. I don't. It's all the brokerages right now are tweaking out. So that's why if you have a spread, I could imagine one play might be up a lot, the other one might be down a lot. Well, get ready. I mean, this is going to be a multi-day event. And then again, I hope your Zaza plays. And we should have held the yen though. We had that 2 days ago. Not to mention all the other yen videos on this year, but that one killed it. So GG's if you held on to that and the bonds. And then the TLT from Friday still up 400%. So you got a little bit. And then your ARM plays up 1,300%. Again, the Russell got murdered, but I'm out of that one. I just got lucky picking up on it last night. What do we have to do? We have ISM. Honestly, whichever direction the ISM goes, I would probably play the trend. So if ISM calls a sell, I would short this shit. I would go with greedy short, and then if ISM says buy, I would get a baby long. So again, ISM, all that matters is employment, really. Just watch. If ISM employment drops again, everybody's gonna freak out. If ISM employment can stabilize, then we'll be good. Again, that data comes out in about 22 minutes. Mock Dez, pay the plug for the Oh, did those hit too? Oh shit. There's no way. No, you had the first set, baby. GG's. I thought the other ones, I said, no way. Yeah, my Schwab isn't loading up. And even my platform that I have open is kind of tweaking. My Airbnb is not loading. Or excuse me, my long term's not loading. But Airbnb, I just wait. Wait till this shit gets back to 100. This is exactly why I didn't touch anything for the last year. Just all these names, I knew they were really high. Like, you know what I'm saying? If anybody's been saying hard landing, it was me, mother effer. But the thing about like Airbnb, I love the company, but I just felt like all of these names were so hyper inflated that they could just flip in a second. So I'm kind of glad because now I'm just like, well, I'll pick up Airbnb below 100. Yeah, my Schwab is fucked right now. Even then, Swiss plays, it says it's going down, but my chart is literally not moving. I'm not looking at the LT. I'll look at the long term in a couple of days. It's going to be, you guys are going to vomit, though. Some of you, I totally can understand. So, but I strongly encourage you look at your long term unless you got balls like that. Just look at it later. I don't think they feel me. If you don't understand what I'm saying, go look at your long term and then you'll understand. But it will leave you with like 48 hours of regret and other things. Your whole life will flash before your eyes. You miss me. It's good to see some of you. I didn't know. So some of y'all just pull up on Josh when volatility. That's good to know, man. I hope y'all still got your long terms though, because our long terms are good, and then this is going to be a good buying opportunity. But if you are used to OG volatility, welcome back, baby, because this is volatility, man. We about to get wild over here. This is like September 22 mixed with 20. This is weird, you guys. I mean, we were talking about it last week, and we were even talking about the tantrum, but you got to realize the yield curve is uninverted. So that's it. Like right now, I would honestly say if the yield curve's uninverted and then we get a rate cut, I think our recession is going to start. We've actually inverted again though now. So we're still playing this game, but like you're right on the cusp of it. But this is all like I said, the last time we've moved like this, the market there was bigger shit happening. You understand? Literally there was 2020. There was COVID, there was